Check the hard drive first because it's the easiest and it...
most common?
Yeah, it's easy to test, easy to take out, and it is more likely than not.
Cover's off. There's the hard drive right there.
That's the guy.
Okay, so we're going to go and check that. He's going to unscrew it here.
Yep.
Just a couple screws there.
Yeah, this is held in by 3 screws. It looks like B2, C5, and C3.
Okay.
Are the labels for those screws. Oh, and disconnect the cables. I'll remove the 4 smaller screws, not the 4 big ones. Those don't need to be removed.
Outer edges, okay.
Yep. These are the 4 that actually screw into the
hard drive. Okay.
Yep, and then this cable will pull out after you take this out. See the pegs?
Okay.
The pegs hold it on, so don't try and rip it off without unscrewing it first. And now we're going to go check it.
Alright. Alright, so you can see it's got a caution on there. That means the hard drive's going bad over there. Alright, so we got the hard drive plugged in to our computer over here. And we got our software up right here. And what are we going to do here now?
We are going to format this new hard drive so it has the same partition scheme and GUIDs as genuine Xbox drive so that it'll accept it.
Awesome. Okay, next.
Just
replace and upgrade. Okay.
Yep, since the old drive was gone, we can't get anything from it. So
okay.
Just replace without an old drive.
And then we select the hard drive, which is the 2 terabyte we're going now. We're upgrading it.
And then choose, there are 3 valid sizes for Xboxes. So you have to choose one. You could use a bigger drive, but it will not, it'll only format up to 2 terabytes.
Okay, so let's do 2.
Which we have a 2 terabyte drive, so we'll format it now. It'll take a few minutes. Yes, it's the process is a bit different to the way Sony does it, where you can put a brand new hard drive in there, and the console itself will format it. On Xbox, it's not as easy. There's more to it. Because Microsoft, I guess, locks.
Okay. All right, so we got our hard drive back. So now what do we do?
Make sure you put the cable on first, and make sure you put it on the right way. It only goes on one way, with the lettering facing up. Screw the 4 screws back down.
Okay, put it back in.
Okay, so we got our new hard drive in there. Let's see if that fixed our video problem. Now, since the hard drive is blank, the console will not start because it has no operating system.
Okay, so we'll put our updated flash drive in there, and then we can do our...
So all that's left to do now is to install the operating system.
Alright, so we'll plug our flash drive in?
Yep, so we've plugged our flash drive in that has the OSU1 file on it.
Okay.
Connect a controller. You have to connect it with the wire in safe mode. If the wireless doesn't work well in safe mode.
Alright.
Okay, so I want to select the offline system update option now that we got our flash drive in it. And it will start doing the offline update. This will take a little bit, but as soon as it's done, it'll be a working Xbox.
And there you go, all ready to go. So like, subscribe, and share please. We appreciate it.